Good morning, everybody. Market getting crazy. SPX almost all-time high. Um, Yesterday was very interesting. Market went down, then it had a monster bounce up into the close, and then after that, SMCI came in with primarily guidance, EPS adjustment, something whatever. So they jumped up big and caused all the semis go up, all the techs run up, and after 4 a.m. market open, everything went up higher. So today is OPEX day, and there is a lot of deep in the money calls accumulated since I don't know, November when market jumped up end of October. So there is gonna be a lot of crazy volumes at the close for sure. At the open, there is option expiration on SPX, and it's gonna be very volatile. Just be cautious. It's OPEX day. It can be weird, and market was about to crash last 2 days ago, but right now with this recovery, things are a little bit changing. Um, so anyhow, by crash I mean pullback, not crash. So anyhow, pre-market right now, ES ES made a new all-time high. But pre-market right now, 5 minutes, 15:30 is dead cross, and the 1 hour is a little bit curved down, but the 4 hour is super bullish. TTM squeeze is very bullish. MACD is very bullish until it's not dead cross. This run up can continue higher. Even though yesterday market was pulling back, still the TTM squeeze was very bullish on the 4 hour. And right now daily we got a light blue bar, and the weekly is still very bullish. NQ making a new all-time high. Pre-market right now 5:15:30 1 hour is pointing down a little bit. As always, there is a possibility that some profit locking at open. Then we'll see if it's gonna continue lower, or it's just gonna dip to some support level and jump up higher. But the most important thing is that the NQ 4 hour is very bullish, and for a daily yesterday we got a light blue bar. As today same thing, and most importantly, daily MACD is near golden cross. So once that one golden cross confirms, tech can continue going higher. The only issue is a lot of indicators, a lot of technical indicators saying that there's gonna be a pullback, there is gonna be a big pullback, and but we'll see after OPEX what happens. Not expecting to happen today, but just gotta be cautious for next week. And also earning season is ahead, and so any if some bad earning comes up can pull market very bad down. It's all about earning seasons and also Fed comments. Dow Jones getting close to all-time high. So this one 4 hour is very bullish there. RUT is still trying to come up. 4 hours golden cross daily is still pointing down, but it's not as strong as other name. TNX small green 4168. If it goes above that, it can cause trouble. 4168, if it passes, we can run up to the higher level, which is 4371. It's still very bullish on the 4 hour and daily, and the weekly MACD is a little bit curving up. DXY, if this one pulls back, can help techs run up higher, but right now this little run up causing some pullbacks on the futures and techs. So right now if you look, you can see 5:15:30 is bullish, 1 hour is on pointing up, so just be cautious on DXY. If it passes 103,676, techs can have a little bit more pullback. In general, DXY is very bullish on dailies, and if DXY goes up, not gonna be good for techs. Wix big pullback today. It's opening below 1373. If it passes, those are the next higher level. If it continues falling, 1307 is the next key level. Below that, market can go for another squeeze up. 4 hours dead cross. Weekly was golden crossing this week, but due to the pullback run up this market these last 2 days, it diverted back. So and then we got a dark blue bar on daily. So it's all keep an eye on weeks. If past 1373, not gonna be good. It falls, and if you see 15 and 5 MACD dead cross, market can squeeze up higher. BTC BTC 4 hour is not golden cross yet. Daily MACD is pointing down big time, and weekly is curved down. We got dark blue bars after a long time. If weekly MACD dead cross, if it goes below 40k, is not gonna be good. Apple It's all about 190.8 and 191.7. Those are the key level you want to watch. If it passes those, we're looking at 192, 193, and 194.02. Daily MACD is curved up. 4 hours still very bullish, but pre-market right now, as you can see here, 5 to 1 hour is pointing down. As I mentioned, there's some making profit locking probably at open, and then we'll see if it's going to continue lower or it's going to jump up higher. 188 and 186 are the next support. Amazon 1 point higher, pre-market same like others, pointing a little bit down. If there's any name you're interested, please let me know in the comment. It's all about 155.78, and if it passes down 157.82, below 154 can retest those levels. 4 hour is very bullish. Daily MACD is kind of flat, so not clear, and earning is coming up, so we'll see. Nvidia making a new all-time high pre-market. 4 hours golden cross again, and pre-market right now at 15:30 is showing a little bit weakness, so possible some profit locking. There is a lot of deep in the money calls on Nvidia, so we'll see if it's gonna have another run up midday and toward end of the day. 582, 585, 76, those are the next target. If it breaks those, it can run up to 595. My next target above 595 is 608, 625. AVGO made a new all-time high pre-market. It's all about 1162.12. If it passes that one, we're looking at 1166, 1174, 1182. Pre-market kind of flat, not clear, but 4 hour is very bullish. Daily MACD is near golden cross, so it's possible to have a golden cross when it opens. And then yeah, keep an eye on that one. If 1150 passes, can fail and pull back more. Baba, dead name, forget about it. Netflix, it's trying. It's 4 hours golden cross. It's trying to go for a pre-earning run up. Earning is next week Tuesday, and this one can set a path for all techs. So keep an eye on Netflix. It's maybe it does a pre-earning run up. So if it does, 490, 493.88, those are the next key level to watch. If 493.88 passes, we're looking at 495, 497, and 499.45 next. But just keep in mind, last few days, every time it opened, it shows that it's bullish, but then it dumped and it went higher again. Meta is getting very close to all-time high. It's all about 380, 384.33. 384 if it passes. Gotta get the levels. Don't have it right now. But 4 hour, daily, weekly are very bullish. Most likely, high chance next week all-time high comes and above. Tesla. It almost touched down 207.75 major level that I kept mentioning. Still very bearish on the daily and weekly. 4 hours kind of flat. Earning is next week, and just keep in mind, a lot of names do pre-earning run up. Sometimes it happens that they do 1 day or 2 day before. Sometimes it happens they do 1 day before. Sometimes they never do. So for now, there's no sign of pre-earning run up. Keep an eye on 212, 15. If it passes a strong, then we can talk about run up to 214 and 219. There's a lot of calls coming in expiration next week, 230, 240, and there's calls just getting loaded on it. So Elon is acting so happy on Twitter. He's just acting very relaxed, not worried about the stock falling. So it seems like he's fine with the earnings. So we'll see. And also, if they give a package to him, Tesla, same like they did back in the days, that it gave him few $1 billion, and it can maybe jump up the stock big again. Anyhow, Microsoft new all-time high pre-market. 397.93 is the key level. Passes that one, we're looking at 403.16, 411, and 420. Pre-market right now, 15:30 is kind of showing some weakness, but the 4 hours golden cross and pre-market, and is making a new all-time opening, new all-time high. So 398.46, that's a pre-market high. If it passes down 400, easy to come. If 1 hour dead cross and pullbacks continue, 393, 386, 389.46, those are the next support level. Google opening above 144.72. Above that, next targets are 146, 148, 151, 55. Pre-market again, same like others, showing some weaknesses. 15 and 30 dead cross. So keep an eye on it. 4 hour daily and weekly are very bullish, and this one is not too far away from all-time high. So most likely is coming before the earning. AMD, another jump up again. Yesterday was just horrible. It opened, it jumped up, and then once 15 and 30 MACD dead crossed, It was just a non-stop fall down to lower levels. 158, it was almost going to 156, but then market bounce up, helped it bounce up. SMCI helping it make it bounce up more. So keep an eye on 165.8 and 164.46. If it passed 165.8, next target 167.96, 170.12. Below 164.46, it can fail again and go lower, 161, 158, 156.93. Boeing, nice jump up yesterday, but pre-market right now showing some weakness. 1531 hours downward, 4 hours still very bullish. All about 208 and 211. If 208 passes, can go run down again to 205 and 203. If 210, 211 passes, we're looking at 214, 218, 223. SPY made almost made a new 52 weeks high, and all-time high is not too far away. Right now it's pulling back, I guess, on the Fed comments that they made. So two key levels to watch is 477 and 479. If 477.92 can hold it back to these levels, if 479.77 passes, all-time high pass, then we're looking at next major levels are 482.77, 485.76. QQQ, it made a new all-time high pre-market. Two key levels to watch today is 415.24 and 417.05. If 417 passes, gotta get the details level, don't have it, but the next major is 423.08. Pre-market showing some weakness on 5, 15, 31 hour. So we'll see. 4 hours still very bullish. To SPX, all about, let me change this one. It's all about, I can show you on the other one. 4822.2.1. 4822, if it passes, then the next target is 4854.39. And what else you got? IWM is not joining much. LLY had a dump yesterday because of the price rise, so keep an eye on, it's possible maybe fall again. PanW making a new all-time high pre-market. 340 passes, 344, 348. PayPal continues going higher. Next targets are 63.86, 64.95. Adobe is all about 600. If it passes that one, we are looking at 606.1, 614, 625. 625, not sure today, but we'll see. LRCX, all about 800. If 882 to 95 passes, 810, 820.4. QCOM, 148.39. If it passes that one, 151.5, and those are the higher level. What else? You got Roku, nice gap up. 86.67, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, 88.9 and 92.09 is the next target. ARM continue going higher yesterday. All about 77.6, that's the next key level. SMCI, monster jump up but pull back. So it's all about 350. If 350 pass, 356, 367, 377. Just keep in mind, SMCI, anytime it jumps up and making the all-time high, it suddenly gives a big pullback, like 20, 30 points. There was a good news yesterday. Most likely that's a low chance to happen, but just keep in mind. What else? ABMB was very strong yesterday, all about 140.86. Past that one, 144.71 is the next target. Walmart was very strong yesterday. 163.4 is the next key level. Past that one, 164, 165. The weekly MACD is golden cross. What else we got here? A lot. Here's another thing. A lot, back in the days, in November 2022, Meta and many other companies are starting cutting and laying off, cutting jobs and laying off, and then it caused a lot of names to jump up. And right now, that's becoming a trend in market. A lot of names, a lot of companies, a lot of CEOs, they're cutting jobs to boost their earnings, so and boost the stock rise up. So that's what the trend is right now. Macy's like was one that did yesterday. Many other names did it already, and that's the trend. If they continue doing that, they can bring their costs lower and showing better profit. iRobot big dump on Amazon News. Wayfair is very interesting. Big jump up. It has a big short interest. short interest rate on it. And then watch 59.3. If it passes that one, can it squeeze up to 65, 75, 85? This one must watch. IBM got to upgrade to 200 and making a new all-time high almost. Yeah, 171. And this one is getting crazier too. Anyhow, that's pretty much it. Don't forget again, is OPEX day. Oh, save. Save to save big jump up on the news that they're gonna review court and all about right now these levels are not right because it made a new all-time low, so I have to redraw them. But 4 hours golden cross, if you want to use my old level, it's all about 784. If past that one, 905 and 1117 is the next target. But I need to get new levels because it made a new all-time low. Anyhow, yeah, save. It's a risky trade. Play small, and you may get high reward on it. Thanks for tuning in, and have a lovely day.